Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
When the nigga some man fuck me, I'm out my shit. Anything I want to do, you do make me get for black out the dirty blood clot. So that now. Start it now. So good. Start it. Blood clot germs. Boom boom. So this will be bad when people have towel. Then I'm some mean shape good. Me look on it, no? Oh Lord. Creating me a clean art. I stuff the towel in my hole. Now for cock it up my life. Creating me a clean heart. I eat that water base slow, I can't not do a thing. Within me. The boy pay me. Oh Lord, you worthy. And the blood on my side. Creating me a clean heart. Hold on. With a new right spirits within me. Me make 150. I'll win at $10. That not have nothing to do with you. The boy finished fuck me. I'm gonna go sit on the toilet, wash up my hole. End up later on yesterday, girl. Boy, do him thing. Creating me a good one with vein and grape. Yeah, 150. Creating me a clean art. Oh Lord, within my right spirits within me. Thank you, Lord. Almost for easy. My birthday will come up, guys. All you got to talk to me. My birthday will come up. Talk to me. I don't know what me I do yet. Wicked Fambo. Oh, it go. I don't know what me I do for my birthday. Yeah, November the 21st. Oh my God. Bad to bad. Yes, November. Me have to put up my cash up from before. The first me I put up my cash up. Out of the after angle it. I may put up my registry. So now after buy me my gift them. Cute. Ah, yeah, November, we can't see him, but so bad, Satna. Only sending some art if you love me. Satna, sending the art, them got problem. For my birthday, I don't think I'm going away, but I know I do my ear and my nails. Hey, friend, what? My sister's birthday at the second. Sending the art them pan the scream come I love her and I love me. I have to put up my cash up. Talk now, I make my good registry. Remember me first registry and the good blood clot things. Remember what beg once a while, not every day. Cause we're not on the internet. I love you. Yeah. Remember we're not on the internet. You're crazy. We're not do that. Bap bap. November cute and girly. 2 birthday I have America. And God I make my life for so many more. Mr. when man in my wake up. Stop fuck. Come suck my pussy. Come suck my pussy. That's why you're there me I'm not answer. You're there. You're that about the 22nd. That's not bad. That's why I say text me. I don't answer. Here there, all of the November, me not block the dirty man, make him stay right there, so. All of the people in my band November put their hand in the ear, make your boom boom, yeah. Father got sent 2 more man for morning shift, wait there. Cute. Lord of here ya. On the read this, what the boy say, sir? May I say you can come back. The boy said, no, text me, I text the boy. The text on listen me and the boy I text you, sir. Remember them summer dance? I that me, you know. Bruh, what thing that? Blood? Crat. But I want to come back, bad to bad. But I take what I eat from him. Me not kill him. What I did never know you were. Like, the boy said, I start the cocky good. When I see it, fuck good. I love your dick. Girl, you know when me I suck the cocky alone, gum the boy I feel. What you say? The boy said I'll come back later. Cute. Boy, what night shift. Okay, hon. The boy said he might come back later. He might have to pay me more money. You crazy? I'm not free. You know what I'm saying? I'm a camera with the client and my text me, you know. My camera and the client and my text me down. Come up pussy good. Dirty man stop. Long eyes. You know when my daughter she go yesterday. She look good here. That's how way you go. You look good here, but too bad. You look nice. The boy texts me. Wait, the guy's gonna give me a second. Yeah, the birthday coming up. How long you gonna be down here? Just that. Yeah. Hey baby, what's up? You mash up there. I don't. Back on belly rat. Stop texting me on WhatsApp and don't make my this up. Suck pussy boy. Okay, I like when my class, You like to come off from my life, dirty boy. With a look of cocky. Now the boy not stop text me down. So this real? Pick up the man them with a good cocky. Fuck up the tight soul. Man, you better see me know the dirty man. What kind of man? Me know the drunk, huh? Don't say a man him not have. Him don't have no mind. Comment again and you say if I don't black cake. Cause looking at you alone turn me off. I call her so pussy boy and class thing. Dirty boy, where you text me for on WhatsApp?
Me I text you on WhatsApp classes. I really want somebody to see you there.
You text me on WhatsApp where you talk about? On the time and see?
Text you on WhatsApp. I must go off, man. Go off.
Yeah, and could I go off with a long message, eh?
Obviously, you forget your dopey, but
Are you a blood clot dopey about Menke? Mascot.
never be Menke and mascot for you, though.
The blood clot you text on my phone for you possess with demon or something?
You possess with the angel classes.
Murder! You don't always make girl pussy a mad, you know?
Yeah, mother. I thought you be pussy early.
You know see I'm mad out?
Oh, me, I'm adult.
You look like a madman.
You is not that girl, Blondie.
Me no want to be that girl.
You come on internet about birthday. I want to partner one by your two big pots of potatoes.
Lord! So where you buy me for my birthday?
Yeah, for your birthday.
Anything.
You know the range of $100, okay? You can't go over that budget there.
You can go for $100.
Yeah, that must say.
You can cram me and go have something nice to eat.
Okay, God say the trouble is, you know, I'm going to cook for you.
You always want to put away pan. You can come over, come cook.
No, me carry out. Me carry use the local table manners. Me carry out.
Lord. You can cram me out. You want to put together so long I eat. That one not bad. But